परवीन, I'll start with you. आप म्यूजिशियन हैं. इन्होंने अपनी फिल्म डायरेक्ट की जिसमें आपने एक्ट किया, उसको लिखा, उसको डायरेक्ट किया. वेरी एंटरप्राइजिंग बाय द वे. आपका एक सॉन्ग है गाल नहीं काटनी, मतलब गाली नहीं देनी है. पंजाबी म्यूजिक के बारे में एक अच्छी बात यह है कि while on one hand it is extremely international and extremely modern and breaking barriers and sometimes almost not caring about anybody, right? And on the other side there is a traditional side to music जहाँ पे गाली नहीं काटनी, बड़ों की इज्जत करनी है, थोड़ा अपने कल्चरल रूट से जुड़ा रहना है. टेल मी अबाउट योर स्टोरी कि आप पटियाला से कनाडा का आपका जो कनेक्शन है, क्योंकि पर्सनल लाइफ भी आपकी कुछ ऐसे ही है जैसे हमने जो कल्चरल इन्फ्लुएंस देखा है उसमें.
Well, I felt जो निम्मा का कैरेक्टर है, इसकी जो माइग्रेशन साइड है, I have experienced it first hand. I went to Australia in 2007. I was an international student. तो जो एक नए इमिग्रेंट की जो वनरेबिलिटी होती है, निम्मा का जो पास्ट है, that has a huge influence from 1984, the tragedy, the trauma that he has experienced, and those tragedies we felt as families. तो जो आपका trauma, I was able to kind of get the essence of that. I was able to understand it, क्योंकि वो चीज़ मैंने अपने शरीर पे हंडाई नहीं है. So therefore I don't know the actual pain, but I've seen my family members suffer a certain way. And then when I went to Australia, I had experienced first-hand racism of being, जो initial complexities होती हैं migration की. So I felt that with that side of Nimma's story, I was able to connect. With the musical side, I felt when we were given a whole world for a specific character, that was a very fulfilling experience itself, because हम जब कनाडा के गाने लिख रहे थे तो हम अपनी बात नहीं कर रहे थे, हम निम्मे की बात कर रहे थे. Musically, we were able to explore every single sort of shade of Nimma's emotion.
ये बताइए कि कनाडा का जो वाइट पॉपुलेशन है, क्या वो हमारी म्यूजिक में इंटरेस्ट लेती है?
कंट्रीज जहाँ पे माइग्रेशन पुरानी हो चुकी है, let's say in England, Canada, where people have seen Indians or Punjabis for a very long time.
50 years.
So now they've developed certain connections with that community. जहाँ इतनी माइग्रेशन नई नहीं है, sorry, पुरानी नहीं है, वहाँ I feel there is a little bit of gap.
Jasmine, tell me, Punjabi girls का भी कुछ एक यही dichotomy है. The girls who are strong and headstrong and enterprising and want to go out there are like really strong.
Yeah.
But then there is another side to a Punjabi girl.
Yeah.
And in most movies, when we watch them, they are, I would say, a lot about traditions,
Yeah.
a lot about great looks, a lot about being the feminine side to the family. And you play the love interest of the lead character here, who's, by the way, quite headstrong.
Yeah.
He makes all the wrong decisions, he makes the mistakes of life, and I would like to know what kind of a female influence do you have on the male protagonist?
Well, it has a lot to do with the upbringing that I have. While I want to address such great things that you said, कि Punjabi लड़कियाँ जो होती हैं, they are bold, they are headstrong, and at the same time rooted in tradition. This headstrong personality is who Jasmine is. So I've grown up in a family where my father, it was his dream that I should become an actress.
Really?
And this statement
Rare.
coming from somebody who's from Punjab and who's been rooted in tradition, it's quite something. Harleen has a lot to do with it. Obviously, her
Describe a scene.
life revolves
Describe
around
a prominent
him.
scene
Harleen-
with you and
the
him.
life revolves around Nimma, but at the same time there are certain aspects and there are certain situations where she's like, okay, I'm done with it. There was a scene where I am really pissed off, like मेरी बस हो गई अब Nimma से, and he has to come back and I have to confront him. You either lose this or I am leaving you.
Yeah.
So there was this scene with full aggression and I had
She
this,
punches me in the gut.
yeah, so I was on top of my emotion and I had to confront him. I was like,
I
come
had to
on,
hold a strong
I'll
word.
take you. And we both are like that. हर scene से पहले हम एक दूसरे को बोल देते हैं, मैं आ रही हूँ full on. And he's like, okay. और मैं भी बोलती हूँ, okay.
And then in one of the scenes I had to grab her and I dropped her.
Oh God! So I have punched him. He has.
I have dropped her.
हमने अपना सारा aggression निकाला
एक
है उस
दूसरे
set
पे
पे.
निकाल दिया।
वेरी गुड,
Yeah.
ये होना चाहिए, ये एक्चुअली होना चाहिए. समटाइम्स अ बॉय
Yeah.
एंड अ गर्ल, उनकी फिस्ट फाइट भी पर्दे पर होनी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल होनी
जेंडर
चाहिए.
पॉलिटिक्स का स्टेटमेंट अच्छा होता
अरे
है.
हम हर जगह इक्वालिटी मांगते हैं, फीमेल्स हर जगह बोलते हैं इक्वालिटी चाहिए, इसमें ले लो. मैं तो कहती हूँ, तो मैंने तो ली है, मैं तो खा भी सकती हूँ. It's okay. तो मेरा इक्वालिटी का बेसिस ही वही है.
मैंने थोड़ा रिसर्च किया, वो 90s का हमने दौर देखा था जब हर दूसरा लड़का जा रहा था कनाडा जाना है, और इसमें शुरू में एक लाइन है कि कुछ अपने अतीत से भागने के लिए जा रहे हैं, कुछ अपने फ्यूचर बनाने के लिए जा रहे हैं. तो देखिए कितना दिलचस्प स्टैट्स हैं कि लास्ट 50 इयर्स में इंडियन इमिग्रेंट पॉपुलेशन इन कनाडा हैज ग्रोन सिग्निफिकेंटली. 2001 में दे वर लाइक रफली 3,14,000 Indian immigrants in Canada. By 2011, this data was 5,47,000. By 2016, it was 6,68,000 plus, and it is only growing. अदर, आप बॉम्बे के हैं, आपने पटियाला पंजाब की लाइफ शायद नहीं देखी है, राइट?
नहीं, the thing is, मम्मी पंजाबी है, लेकिन I speak Marathi better than I speak Punjabi.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm more Maharashtrian than like what my lineage
तो एक
would
सेंटेंस
suggest.
ऐसा बोलिए जिसमें मराठी भी हो और पंजाबी भी.
कुठे जायला आहे ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨੂੰ? What do you say?
Once again.
कुठे जायचं आहे ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨੂੰ? What is it? हाँ,
आपको
it's a bizarre thing क्योंकि घर में you are speaking 3-4 languages simultaneously, so
Yeah.
it's the very weird household के
But you understand Punjabi?
I understand पंजाबी क्योंकि नानी और मम्मी को पूरी जिंदगी बात करते
नहीं, मैंने भी कई बार
I
बात
don't
की है,
a lot
तो
of
you
your rap I
understand.
don't, but like normal पंजाबी.
But do they like मम्मी गालियाँ पंजाबी में देती हैं?
मम्मी चप्पल से वो पंजाबी है, हाँ वो पंजाबी
throw
नहीं
है जो
करते.
हाँ, वो थ्रो अपने आप में गाली है, पंजाबी गाली है थ्रो.
सही है throw.
क्या आपने ग्रोइंग अप बुल्ले शाह के बारे में पढ़ा था? Did you read about or listen to Gurdas Maan?
For me as a like because मेरा कॉमेडी के साथ बहुत ही like I had a special relationship. So Khushwant Singh was
You are a
always
comedian, आप
yeah.
comedian हैं, yeah.
So those were like those books we used to read, those jokes we used to love, you know, and so it's like Jaswal Bhatti, you know, these were influences I grew up with because this is like it's aspirational
Right.
comedians. These are aspirational writers.
Yeah.
तो मेरे लिए म्यूजिक से ज़्यादा वो था. म्यूजिक हमेशा मेरे इन्फ्लुएंसेस बिकॉज माई फैमिली वॉज वेरी बॉलीवुड.
Okay.
But comedy influences I had to find on my own. So these guys were the like benchmark writers. के अरे इनके तरह बनना है. I think there's nothing better than Punjabi music for weddings.
Yeah.
There is no wedding that can happen without Punjabi music. So that's like one thing that we always had. And then the hip hop thing. And I grew up with अपना like all these UK hip hop artists. And then
Right.
slowly you start because that's a gateway. तो बाद में धीरे धीरे you start getting into like oh
Yeah.
we've got our own regional hip hop. You've got
Yeah.
so people like Parmesh. There's other then the whole Diljit phase happens for everybody and like you
Yeah,
love it.
yeah.
And that's where you kind of like get
अरे
into
मुझे पूछना था, मैंने दिलजीत से भी पूछा था, मैं आपसे भी पूछती हूँ, ये स्वैग क्यों ਹੁੰਦਾ है?
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਨਾ swag ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ?
वही
ਇਹੀ
swag
swag
है. ओके, यू नो अकबर ने बीरबल से एक बार कहा कि मेरे हाथ पे कुछ ऐसा लिखो कि जब मैं खुश हूं तो दुखी हो जाऊं और जब दुखी हूं तो खुश हो जाऊं. तो उसने लिखा दिस टू शैल पास. बुल्ले शाह हैज सेड दिस इवन बेटर. बुल्ले शाह कहते हैं कि दुश्मन मरे तो खुशी ना करिए,
सज्जਣਾ भी मर जाना.
सजना भी मर जाना है. पंजाब की दुनिया के ऐसे कौन से लोग हैं जिनको सुनना पढ़ना जरूरी है?
I think there are certain artists, there are certain writers that you read for different reasons. Like you mentioned Khushwant Singh. Have you read his book Rules of Life?
Yes.
That was such an interesting
Yeah.
book, right? When it comes to music, when it comes to artists, I don't think anybody has had a better artistry, if that's the right word, than Gurdas Maan Sahab ever. Because the spectrum of emotions, the depth, even like the songs that he made for our language, Panj
कि बड़ू दुनिया दा सच्चे बादशाह वा गुरु जाने.
like he is such an iconic artist and we are so blessed to have lived in his era.
या
I
उन्होंने
think
एक बहुत अच्छी बात बोली थी जब मैंने उनसे पूछा कि भाई यंग जनरेशन को आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे, तो बोले कि एंड ही वाज एड्रेसिंग द पंजाबी पॉपुलेशन, द यंग बॉयज जो अलग अलग बुरी आदतों में फंसे हुए हैं. तो उन्होंने बोला जवानी को काम में लगाओ और जवानी से ऐसा काम लो कि जब तुम रात को सो तो ऐसा सो कि कोई सुध ना रहे.
Mansa were performing at a private event So I realized that he's there, the stage is set, the show's about to begin. So I wanted to go give him regards and show him my respect. I walked into the backstage tent. He's sitting there by himself, all dressed up. I went there and was like, sorry, appa shuru kar dein, like he's like, take your time, मैं wait कर रहा हूँ, I'm here.
Yeah.
I am yet to experience that peaceful state before a show.
That is the power of goodness. You know, हमारे ऐसे role models, icons होने चाहिए popular entertainment culture में जिनसे हम कुछ सीख सकें.
Yes.
True.
And lastly, Parmish, Adar, tell me this. You both are men. I was going through
What?
your Instagram.
Are you?
Come on. Who's your favorite comedian? You just spoke like Max Amini.
Oh, I've performed with Max Amini. He's lovely.
You've
yeah.
performed
Who is
with?
your favorite stand-up comedian?
I really like Max's crowd work. In fact, मैं उसके पहले stage पे गया था, then I was talking to the audience and वो बोला बेटा मैंने 6 कैमरा लगाए so that I can talk to the audience, just do your material and walk off.
Oh.
So that was really nice. Nice. But Max is lovely.
But
There's so
comedians
many.
are doing a great job.
I think Ricky Gervais is my
बहुत
favorite.
बढ़िया.
Ricky Gervais, Sarah Silverman, then I've always liked Seinfeld, then there's oh god, कितना I can't.
Russell and all तो.
Russell was the reason I started because हम लोग we used to buy bootleg like signals पे हम लोग Russell की DVD खरीदते थे as college students.
Okay.
And that was our introduction to formal
Yeah.
Formal
stand-up comedy.
stand-up
अच्छा
comedy.
ऐसे होता
ऐसे होता
है.
है.
Yeah.
We didn't know up till that point. We were all just figuring
Yeah.
out कैसे coffee shop में कुछ कर लेते हैं. But
Correct.
that's where
And real
वैसा बनना था.
comedians are the ones जिनको मतलब थोड़ा सा borderline शायद मैं कुछ लोग ना agree करें, उनको वाकई बहुत गाली गलौज की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. They are so good.